How do you plan to install your aircon trunking if one of the bedroom is detached from the others? You're gonna find out now. Don't go away. Hi guys, nice to see you again in Interior Design with Ray, bringing you tips and tutorials for your home renovation journey. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. I'm sure some of you might have come across a layout like this, where one of the common bedroom is detached from the other bedrooms, and wonder how to go about installing the aircon trunking from that bedroom to the aircon compressor unit. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how, with a bonus tip at the end of this video. So watch all the way. The kitchen wall used to be here, so it has been hacked down to make an open concept kitchen. The dining area is going to be here. You see that the aircon trunking is running across, right, just below the beam of the kitchen, and then it runs across the main entrance all the way to this common bedroom. The reason is because this common bedroom is actually away from the other two bedrooms. Right, the other common bedroom is here. The master bedroom is there. So there's a distance away from this room all the way to the compressor, which is at the back here, right? So in order to skirt around the house without exposing too much of the aircon trunking, I think this is the correct way to do, right? Just go below the kitchen beam, and then I'll do a box up here just to hide all the aircon trunking. I don't think you can run this way. Okay, if you run this way, you're going to see a huge trunking exposed, right, which is unsightly because this is the living area. Okay, so I'm not going to do that. So the best way is to do this way. So how do I conceal this trunking? Okay, my design is to have a feature wall that's high enough to cover up this trunking here, and then there's a drop ceiling low enough to hide this trunking. Okay, so then it will continue with the box up all the way. As this is a 5-room HDB flat, you have the option to make another room or construct another room here. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Right, I'm going to construct a full height partition wall with the entrance over here, and you see that this is the aircon for this room, right, just above the main entrance. So the design for this kitchen will be, there's a full height shoe cabinet to hide this existing DB cabinet. Okay, it's about like 6 inches of space left here, which I'm going to construct a shoe cabinet all the way out. I make use of the space here, down like that, and then go in. So the whole DB cabinet, right, will be concealed by the new shoe cabinet, and then followed by a fridge, right, and a L kitchen cabinet, and then a top tier cabinet which has 2 tier, okay, a top and a bottom tier. This is the open counter. It's quite deep. Okay, the depth here is about 800 mm. So try to maximize the depth. Okay. So over at the dining area, there'll be a full height cabinet, right, and then the dining table will be here. The dining table is a loose one, so it's not attached to the wall. Because of the space, it's just nice for a freestanding dining table. Yeah, I'm now inside the master bedroom. Okay, you can see there's a small window here. This side is the bathroom entrance. You see the aircon trunking. So the aircon fan coil will be here, blowing towards the headboard side here. Okay, I'm going to raise up a platform with the wardrobe somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here to act as like a divider. And then there's one more wardrobe here. Okay, followed by a dressing cum study table. So since this wardrobe is going to conceal this aircon trunking, this part of the aircon trunking, it's good to tell your carpenter to make the back panel at this area a removable one, so that in any case there's any leakage, right, they can check, they can remove the panel and they can check whether there's any leakage somewhere here. So my tailor is arranging the bathroom wall tiles, right, they are all random design. So this is the common bathroom. So this wall here and here will be overlaid with just now that tiles, and the flooring will be overlaid by another tile. This is the master bathroom. Here only this wall will be overlaid, and here will be the same as the wall tile. Right, this is the shower area, and over at the dry area will be the wood tile. Okay. Okay, so this master bathroom has been applied with a layer of chemical cement and W1 solution. This is for the base before the tiler applies the tile or install the tiles on the wall. It's the same for the floor as well. Okay, this is for overlaying method. So for this, once it's applied and dry up, it's very rough to the touch. Okay, so that the tile can actually stick on better. Okay, it's very rough. Right, this is the original wall tiles, smooth. Okay, just glossy. So my tiler is laying up the wall tiles, and then installing them one by one on the wall. This is a slightly smaller size wall tile, which I think is about 150 by 150 mm. Okay, on my hand is actually the floor trap cover. So this is something different which you can consider. Okay, it's actually just to spin out this top plate. Very easy to remove. Okay, and then there's a mesh here to prevent the hair from choking your drainage, and then just cover up. Okay, so this is suitable for overlaying of tiles, okay, on the floor. Right, you can see the bottom part is very thin, so it's ideal for overlaying instead of using the conventional floor trap that has got, you know, so many holes on top there, which is not so nice. This is a 6-inch, and it also comes with a 4-inch. Okay, so 4-inch is actually for the shower area. Okay, and 6-inch is actually for the main floor trap. Okay, so for this 4-inch floor trap cover, okay, it's basically for the shower. Okay, fits just nicely. 4 inches and 6 inches for the main. So remember to tell our aircon guys what to do. If you found this video helpful, give me a like and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching and see you in my next video.